Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to design your website in WordPress. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. So what you want to do is go ahead and get started logging into your account in the upper right corner. If you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create a new account, select the plan that you want to use, and so on. So after successfully logging into your account and opening up the website you have created, you're going to go ahead and be greeted by this home page right here, where at the left side of the screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started designing our website. Basically guys, WordPress is immediately, once you open up your website, in the home page right here, going to give you the steps you need to go ahead and complete to get started with your design. So you can give it a name, enable post sharing for your website, launch your site. We have done all of this, and you can upgrade the site's design. So this is the main step. Basically, this is going to enable us to go ahead and design our website how we want it to look. So it's going to open up this design mode, which is the editor mode, where you can design how your website looks. If you do not have that option, don't fret and don't be scared, because at the left side of the screen, all you need to do is just go ahead and click the appearance button, and then in the new menu that appears, you want to click editor. You can even open up the themes to select the theme you want to use, but the editor mode is going to go ahead and open up the editor mode of your website, where you can get started with managing how your website looks, managing the styles, your pages, and so on. And this is where you can get started designing your website, and it's easy as that. So you want to go ahead and check it out for yourself, take a look at everything you can do, and test it out for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.